Hello everybody, how are you doing today? So today we're going to bring you along with us. We're headed to Salt Lake City to the Off-Road Outdoor Expo. Go check out a couple of companies and a couple of things for some future projects we got in store. So just wanted to bring you guys along, let y'all see and possibly meet some other YouTubers that you guys are fans of, and we'll get some input from them and get them to say hi. So, thanks for watching. We're driving through Parley's Summit. Current weather is really cloudy with sleet at 30 degrees. So yeah, it's getting dark and it's getting hairy. Hello everybody. So we made it to Salt Lake City to the Expo Center. Currently walking to head in. I already dropped the kids, the girls off. So now we're just walking. Weather isn't the best, so right now we have sleet, rain, and some snow, but about 3/4 of a mile away, so getting a little exercise in at the same time. But stay tuned, we'll show you who all's here and what's all around. Well, here we are. Finally made it. Mountain America Expo Center. So now we're about to go check in and go inside and start meeting everybody and checking out all the new products.